Welcome to this video on solving a common electrical mystery, why your residual current device, or RCD, keeps tripping. We will look at a safe, step-by-step method to identify the specific appliance causing earth leakage so you can diagnose the problem with confidence. In a healthy circuit, current flows out through the live wire and returns through the neutral wire in equal amounts. Earth leakage occurs when some current escapes to the earth wire. An RCD detects this imbalance and cuts power to ensure safety. Why does earth leakage matter? First, leaking current poses a shock risk. Second, it can overheat damaged insulation and start a fire. Third, a tripped RCD cuts power to the entire circuit, not just the faulty device, which disrupts your home or lab. Watch for these warning signs. Frequent RCD trips tied to a specific appliance, a mild tingling feeling when touching metal casings, or trips occurring only under heavy load. Often, these issues worsen in damp or humid weather. You will need a few basic tools. A clamp meter measures leakage current in milliamps by clamping over both wires. An insulation tester checks the health of internal wires. And a standard multimeter confirms continuity and helps verify the appliance is de-energized. Start by isolating the circuit. Switch off the main breaker before touching any wiring. Unplug every appliance on the circuit, reset the RCD, and confirm it holds. If it holds, the wiring is likely fine, and the fault lies within one of your appliances. Now reconnect your appliances one by one. Wait at least a full minute after plugging in each device, as some faults only trigger after components warm up. If the RCD trips, you have identified your faulty appliance. For a precise reading, use a clamp meter around both live and neutral wires together. A healthy appliance reads near zero. Any steady reading above 5 to 10 milliamps indicates an insulation issue, even if the RCD hasn't tripped yet. Which appliances should you check first? Focus on those that combine water, heat, or motors with electricity, such as washing machines, water heaters, irons, or refrigerators. These are the most common sources of leakage. Understand the common causes. Cracked insulation, moisture getting inside, aging motors, or even poor repairs from the past can all lead to earth leakage. Knowing the cause helps you decide whether to repair or replace the item. Always prioritize safety. Never touch a powered appliance if you suspect a leak. Ensure your workspace is dry, and always call a qualified electrician if the fault is in your fixed house wiring rather than a plug-in appliance. To wrap up, isolate the circuit, test appliances one by one, use a clamp meter for confirmation, and start with high-risk items. Follow safety rules at all times. Thank you for watching this video, and stay safe with your electrical work.